Hello all, far and wide from the US and more. It's me, Ava. I'm going to be reading a scary story by Alvin. I don't know how to see his last name. You can see it right here though. The thing is called Sounds. I don't know if the camera's focused or not. There we go. The house was near the beach. It was an old place where nobody had lived for years. From time to time, somebody would force open a window or a door and spend the night there, but never longer. 3 fishermen caught in a storm took shelter there one night. With some dry wood they found inside, they made a fire in the fireplace, then lay down on the floor and tried to get some sleep, but none of them could sleep that night. First they heard footsteps upstairs. It sounded like there were several people moving back and forth. When one of the fishermen called, "Who's up there?" The footsteps stopped, and they heard a woman scream. Ah! The scream turned into a groan, and it died away. Blood began to drip from the ceiling. Into the room where the fishermen huddled. A small red pool formed on the floor and soaked into the wood. A door upstairs crashed shut, and again the woman screamed. "Not me!" she cried. It sounded as she was running, her high heels tapping wildly down the stairs. "I'll get you," a man shouted, and the floor shook as he chased her. Then silence. There wasn't a sound until the man who shouted began to laugh. Long peals of horrible laughter filled the house. It went on and on until the fishermen thought they would go mad. When finally it stopped, the fishermen heard something coming down the stairs. Heard someone coming down the stairs, dragging something heavy that bumped on each step. They heard him drag through the front hall and out the front door. The door opened and it slammed shut. Slammed shut. Again, silence. Suddenly a flash of lightning filled the house with a green blaze of light. A ghastly face stared at the fishermen from the hallway. Then came a crash of thunder. Terrified, they ran out into the storm. That was all for today. Make sure to like and follow for more scary stories. Also, there's some hidden things in this video. If you could find them, that is great. There's a wreath, there's a cup, there's Nezuko and Tanjiro, pencil, notebook with a drawing on it, and a card. If you could find all of these things, you're amazing. I'll see you guys later. Bye.